各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設，我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅話題係關於中國最大嘅網上旅遊平台 Trip.com Group。最近中國監管機構對佢哋展開咗反壟斷調查，導致公司股價應聲大跌。點解呢件事咁重要？因為佢唔單止影響一間公司，仲反映出中國對科技企業越嚟越嚴格嘅監管，以及呢一啲行動對商業運作同市場信心帶嚟嘅深遠影響。首先 Trip.com 或者佢中文名叫攜程，係中國甚至係亞洲按市值計算最大嘅網上旅遊平台。但係最近國家市場監督管理總局話，因為懷疑 Trip.com 濫用市場主導地位同埋進行壟斷行為，所以要對佢立案調查。具體嚟講，有好多地方嘅旅遊協會投訴，話 Trip.com 強迫本地商戶簽訂獨家合作協議，唔俾佢哋同其他平台合作，然後再向呢一啲商戶提高佣金。消息一出 Trip.com 喺香港嘅股價即刻大跌咗接近2成。呢啲監管行動其實並唔係新鮮事。大家可能仲記得喺2021年，另一間科技巨頭阿里巴巴都因為類似嘅壟斷行為被罰咗創紀錄嘅182億人民幣。呢一啲事件對商業世界嘅啟示係，監管風險已經成為喺中國營商嘅一個重要考慮因素，佢直接影響投資者嘅信心，從而影響股價表現同公司嘅長遠戰略。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 antitrust， 反壟斷。呢個詞係指政府為咗保護市場嘅公平競爭而設立嘅法律同埋政策。當一間或幾間公司喺市場上佔據絕對優勢，佢哋可能會濫用呢種力量，例如夾埋定價、限制產量，或者用唔公平嘅手段排擠細嘅競爭對手。Antitrust 法律就係要阻止呢啲行為，確保消費者有更多選擇同埋鼓勵創新。所以當你聽到有公司被 Antitrust Investigation 反壟斷調查，通常都係因為佢哋被懷疑妨礙咗市場嘅正常運作。例句 The government launched an antitrust investigation into the tech giant。 第二個字係 monopoly， 壟斷。呢一個字指喺一個特定嘅市場入邊，只有一個賣家或者供應商。喺呢一種情況下，呢一間公司就擁有完全嘅定價權，可以隨意設定價格，而消費者冇其他選擇。一個真正嘅 monopoly 係好少見㗎，但係當一間公司市場佔有率非常高，接近壟斷狀態，佢哋嘅行為就會受到監管機構嘅密切關注。因為缺乏競爭 ，monopoly 通常會導致價格更高、產品質素更差，同埋創新動力不足。例句The company was accused of trying to create a monopoly in the online travel market。 第三個字係 regulatory risk， 監管風險。呢個詞係投資同商業決策入邊一個非常重要嘅概念。佢指嘅係因為政府政策、法律或者規例嘅改變，而對一間公司、一個行業甚至整個市場造成負面影響嘅可能性。例如政府可能會突然收緊環保標準，增加稅收，或者好似今次 Trip.com 嘅事件咁，加強反壟斷執法。呢啲改變都係公司本身無法控制㗎，但係就直接影響到佢哋嘅營運成本同埋盈利能力，所以投資者會非常重視呢一種風險。例句 Investors are concerned about the high regulatory risk in that sector。 第四個字係 market confidence， 市場信心。呢個詞係一個心理學概念，用嚟形容整體投資者對金融市場未來走向嘅集體感覺。當 market confidence 高嘅時候，投資者會比較樂觀，相信經濟同股價會向好，所以會傾向買入資產，推高市場。相反，如果有利淡消息，例如經濟數據差、政局不穩，或者好似今次咁有大型企業被調查，就會打擊 market confidence。投資者會因為恐慌方而拋售資產，導致市場下跌。佢係一個好重要嘅市場情緒指標。 例句 The news of the probe has shaken market confidence。第5個字係 share price。share price 股價呢個好直接，就係指上市公司每一股股票喺股票市場上嘅交易價格。但係 share price 嘅意義遠不止於此，佢嘅升跌反映咗市場對呢一間公司未來盈利能力嘅期望。當投資者覺得公司前景好，就會買入股票，推高股價。相反，如果有負面消息，好似今次嘅調查，投資者會擔心公司未來嘅收入受影響，就會賣出股票，導致股價下跌。所以 share price 係衡量一間上市公司市場價值同埋投資者信心嘅最直接指標。例句 The company share price dropped significantly after the announcement。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。Hey Sam, did you see the news about Trip.com?
Yeah, their share price really took a nosedive. Another antitrust probe. It's becoming a pattern in the tech sector over there.
Definitely. The regulators seem determined to prevent any single company from forming a monopoly. It's a huge issue for investors.
It really is. It significantly increases the regulatory risk for any company operating in that market.
It just means the risk that a change in laws or regulations will negatively impact a business. In this case, new antitrust rules or fines could hurt their profits. It's the kind of thing that really damages market confidence.
That makes perfect sense. No wonder investors are spooked. When there's low market confidence, people sell off their shares quickly.
Exactly. And with the Lunar New Year travel season coming up, the timing couldn't be worse for them. This will dominate their strategy talks for months.
For sure. Well, thanks for the clarification. I've got to run to a meeting. Let's catch up later.
希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢一啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：antitrust 反壟斷、monopoly 壟斷、regulatory risk 監管風險、market confidence 市場信心同埋 share price 股價。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。